Hi! I'm Habiba from Craftify, my love. Welcome to today's video. In the next couple of minutes, you'll learn how to make these totally cute and absolutely wearable bunny ears. Oops. If you're new to my channel, start by clicking the subscribe button down there. Do you like to be creative and make simple DIYs? Yeah? Me too. That's why we're getting started right now. We'll use pipe cleaners to shape the ears. In order to make them a little bit more sturdy, we'll twist 2 together. Make 4 of these. Of course, you decide on the colors you use. I thought it funny to use 2 contrasting colors for that candy cane look. Cut off the ends if one pipe cleaner is longer than the other. Hold one part of your bunny ears to each side of the headband. You don't have to do both at once like I did in the video. Bend it around the headband and then the other one. To create the base of this bunny ear, twist the 2 parts together twice. Now bring the top part of this ear together and twist as well. Make sure your 2 bunny ears are about the same size and twist once. I twisted several times, but I had to undo it in a minute, so just twist once. Now for the tiny bow. Fold the ribbon like so. And make sure you have 2 ribbons in the same size. Cut a short piece of pipe cleaner and use it to add the little bow to the top of your bunny ear. Now twist the top together and shorten the ends to your liking. Now, you could leave the bunny ears like that, or you could add silk flowers with a little hot glue. I happen to have a gazillion flowers left from a previous project. If you're curious, you can check it out by clicking on the link above. As I'll be making more and more DIYs with them, I'll add those links, plus other ideas for Easter-themed crafts or Halloween costumes in the info section below. To which occasion would you wear these darling bunny ears? Can you see them? Leave a comment below. Oh, and if you like my ears and this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.